As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Royal Gourmet. What do you think?
Ooh, interesting. Let's see. The ChuMaste is cheaper, right around $169, while the Royal Gourmet is about $180.
Yeah, but what about the grilling power? I need something that heats up fast.
Okay. The ChuMaste has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs. The Royal Gourmet has 4 burners cranking out 40,000 BTUs. So the Royal Gourmet definitely has more power.
That's a good point. What about size? I don't need anything huge.
The ChuMaste's cooking surface area is 464.8 square inches, and the Royal Gourmet is a bit smaller at 430 square inches. But the Royal Gourmet has a grill and a griddle combo, which is pretty cool.
A griddle? That is interesting. So, pancakes and bacon are an option?
Exactly. And the Royal Gourmet is also a bit lighter. Only 40.6 pounds compared to the ChuMaste's 51.9 pounds. Maybe easier to move around?
True. Portability is good. The ChuMaste does have foldable side tables, though, which sounds handy.
Both have foldable side tables, but the Royal Gourmet has electronic ignition, which is super convenient. No more struggling with a lighter?
Oh yeah, I hate that. What about cleaning? That's always a pain.
The ChuMaste mentions detachable oil collection cups, and the Royal Gourmet has a drip tray and grease cup for easy cleanup. Sounds like they both thought about that.
Okay, so the Royal Gourmet has more power, a griddle, electronic ignition, and is lighter. The ChuMaste is cheaper and has a slightly larger grilling area. It's a tough choice.
Both have pretty good reviews, around 4 out of 5 stars. Ultimately, it depends on what you value more. The Royal Gourmet seems more versatile with the griddle, and the extra BTU is nice.
Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards the Royal Gourmet. That griddle is really tempting. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.